Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working with these silver-plated ceramic Varistor discs, MOV discs. I will demonstrate a simple and effective method to leach and recover pure silver from them using nitric acid. Let's get started. I diluted 100 milliliters of nitric acid in 300 milliliters of water, a 1:3 ratio, and submerged the ceramic discs. Keep stirring the solution continuously until the silver coating completely dissolves. After 30 minutes, all the silver plating has dissolved, forming a silver nitrate solution. Filtering the silver nitrate solution using a tight cotton filter. Rinsing the filter with water to collect every final drop of silver solution. Dissolve 20 grams of sodium chloride in water and add it to the silver nitrate to convert it into silver chloride. Leaving it for an hour to let the silver chloride completely settle down. After 1 hour, all the silver chloride has settled to the bottom. Carefully decant the liquid slowly, making sure not to disturb the silver chloride. Wash the silver chloride 2 to 3 times with hot water to remove any leftover acid. Add 10 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets to convert the silver chloride into silver oxide. Heating at 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes with occasional stirring. After 10 minutes, I add a teaspoon of sugar and heat for another 10 minutes, converting the silver oxide into metallic silver powder. Wash the recovered metallic silver multiple times with hot water to flush out remaining sodium hydroxide residues. Gather the metallic silver precipitate using a coffee filter for subsequent transfer into a melting crucible. Silver melting point, 961.8 degrees Celsius, rotating the torch to heat the crucible evenly. Recovered 2.04 grams of pure silver from 500 grams of ceramic disc varistors. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this process helpful.